Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will share with you Flowchart Maker and online diagram software. This software is a free online diagram software. You can use it as a flowchart maker, network diagram software. You can also create UML diagrams and even ER diagram. This tool can be used for database schema as well as for circuit diagram also, and more. Let's get started with drawing tool. In the search box, type draw.io. This is the tool. Next step is click on create new design. In this video, I will show you from scratch. So for that, select create new diagram. In other case, if you have already created, you can open existing diagram. Click on create new diagram. Next step is you can give a file name. Here you can give a file name. Towards the right side, you can select image type. For example, we'll select, here in this example, we'll select bitmap image, that is .png extension. File name, give file name. Click on blank diagram. Click create option. Next step is again select your drive. Click on file name and type a file name. Save as type, select editable bitmap image, that is file of .png extension. This will be an image file. Towards the left top, this is the name of the file, diagram 1. Towards the left side are all the shapes, general shape, MISC, advanced, basic, arrows, flowcharts, entity relation, UML and more shapes. This is page 1, this is the first canvas. You can add more page using plus sign, that is insert page option. Towards the right side is formatting of diagram and this is styles. In this video, I will share with you how to make ER diagram using this tool. So in this video, I will share with you library management ER diagram. Let's begin. We'll close this general option. So for ER diagram, click on entity relation option. All the shapes of ER are available in this. When you put your cursor on the shape, towards the right side, you can see the shape. In this way, you can check all the shape. This is row, then another item. This is entity. This is rounded. This is for weak entity. For entity, click on entity box. Next step is double click on this to add text. After entity, next step is relationship. For relationship, here is the relationship shape. This is one more identifying relationship. So there are two. I want this one. Click on this. You can adjust this entity and relationship by dragging and dropping them. So I will take this towards left side. Relationship below this, login. Now I will name this relationship. Next step is I want more to entity. As you can see, 4 blue arrows. Click on the arrow for copy. For right side, click on the right arrow and click on this first entity. For one more copy, I'll just click on this and click on the entity. I'll name this as book. I don't want this arrow. Select it and click on delete option. You can remove unnecessary arrows. Click on the arrow, select it and click on delete. I want one more copy of relationship. Select the shape, click on the arrow, copy is ready. I will just adjust them to make a proper copy. Select and delete unwanted lines. I will name this third entity member, this relationship. Double click to add text. Now my entity and now my 3 entity and 2 relationship is ready. Now let's add attribute. So next to entity there is attribute. This is plain attribute. Key attribute, that is primary key. Next is weak key attribute with dotted lines. Then derived attribute, and last one is multi-value attribute. So I want key attribute. Click on this key attribute, drag it on the place you want, double click to add text. I will add here text. I want one more attribute. Click on this arrow, double click and add text. Now I want plain entity. It is the first one. Click on this, drag it to the required location, double click to add text. Now I want 2 more of these. One more I will add. Double click. One key attribute. Now all the key attribute and attributes are ready. Now next is relation between the entities. Next to the note there is relations. First is untitled relation, then mandatory participation, that is 0 to 1, 0 to n, m to n, 0 to 1 and so on. So first I will use untitled relation. I have added all the relationship to the attribute and the entity. Next is entity and relationship. Here I will add 0 to 1. One more I will add. This is my ER diagram for library management system. My ER is ready. Last step is to group all the entities, relationship and attributes. Let's do it. Select all by using shift key. Select all by using shift key. Right click and click on group option. Select and drag and check. Everything is grouped together. You can also ungroup it, vice versa. Now the diagram is ready and it is saved. So this diagram I have saved in my drive on desktop. Let's check it. On the desktop I have saved the diagram 1. Double click and open the image. This is the library management system. Right click and copy this image and paste it. In this way you can copy paste also the diagram. This is a free drawing tool for drawing ER diagrams. This is all about ER diagrams. Hope you enjoyed learning ER diagram in this video. If you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends so that they can also take advantage of this free drawing tool. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.